welcome to our channel. In this video, we are talking about 5 best foods for health. So let's begin. Our first food is berries. Berries rich in antioxidants and fiber. Berries help improve heart health and regulate blood sugar levels. Our second food is leafy greens. Leafy greens, packed with vitamins like C and K, and minerals such as iron and calcium. Leafy greens support immune function and promote bone health. Our third food is fatty fish. Fatty fish, salmon and sardines are high in omega-3 fatty acids, which benefit brain function, reduce inflammation, and support heart health. Our fourth food is nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds, almonds and chia seeds provide healthy fats, fiber, and essential nutrients, aiding in weight management and heart health. Our fifth food is whole grains. Whole grains, oats and quinoa are rich in fiber and nutrients like B vitamins and magnesium, supporting digestive health and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Thanks for watching.